I guess that's gonna have to work with what I got then, because I'm not seeing an opportunity here. Oh. What do I run into? What?! You gotta be kidding me! No! There was a Deoxys in this grass. Are you serious? I hope all you folks out there are having a great day wherever it is for you guys. It's kind of chilly out here in Arkansas where I am at. We've got snow every single day, and it's also freezing, like below zero. It's so cold that the power companies are asking us, hey, don't run heat. I need you to be a little chilly for us to all survive through this winter. So we're here with jackets on, playing Pokemon because it's freezing outside. Fun fact, I was able to get to work today because the mayor of our town actually helped me dig out my car out of a snow hill. What are the chances, right? I was literally bailed out by the government. But last time, while we were here, we managed to get our first gym badge from Sharon. We got our friend Dusty the Dustox on board with everything. Got some good experience. Harambe, giving people them hands. And I feel like we're primed for a great adventure out here into the world of Pokemon. What does this dude want? He wants me to get more medals. I got hint medals. Aim to receive a bunch of medals. Okay, sounds good. We cut out running back to the Pokemon Center, getting some free Pokemon heals. Starting from there. We should be able to go past that little pesky hiker now that does not want us to go that way, I guess, because he's afraid we can't handle what's coming. We can handle it. I know we can. No, I want more than one. I need more Pokeballs. So we're gonna try and get. Oh, we're so broke. We're so poor. How am I supposed to afford medicine for my dear sweet Pokemon when I've only got $1,100? I was gonna have to make do. I didn't get anything good to sell, did I? No, that's right. Pokemart doesn't want to give me any money for anything. The cut sap berry. Alright. So let's get on our way here. Start heading out of town. Let's see. What do we want to use? Dusty and Harambe are kind of low level, so we're gonna try and keep everyone pretty even out here. As we go along. I really like the overall soundtrack to this game quite a bit. Remember when we got a Sudowoodo here and it almost wrecked our whole world? What is that? A Swanna. Oh, we might as well just kill it. Because I'll level up. Oh, that's water gun at level 2. Dang. Pretty solid. Alright, so we should... I'm not sure the routes in this game, so I'm not really quite sure of like what encounters I can and can't get as we kind of come up with some stuff here. So I'll have to kind of see as we go along what we've got available to us. So... I'm still haunted by Litwick, even to this day. That's a dangerous Pokemon. Oh, Bianca, what do you want? Hey, fam. Oh, habitat list, what is that? With the habitat list, you can check Pokemon are in the area. Oh, well, that's not gonna do me any good. Because, like... No, I don't need your explanation. This is all random. What surprise could be? There's a surprise in every piece of grass right now. Route 20! Alright, let's head on down. Oh! The basic badge! Oh, he wants to battle me now. Great. It's not enough that I got a gym badge, now I just gotta beat you up. Ooh, a Sandile. This feels like it's more in line with like what I should be facing at level 11. So we're gonna give it a good old scratch. Torment. I'm very angry. Oh, I can't use the same move twice in a row? Well... Man. Ash's Sandile was so cool. He's like at the... Like, Ash had some of the coolest Pokemon. Ash single-handedly was the reason why I wanted Trico and Grovyle in Emerald and Ruby and Sapphire, because I just thought that Trico with the twig was so cool. Thanks! Oh, well, we gotta fight you too. We gotta run the Pokemon Gauntlet. I'm the strongest trainer. Well, you're about to be proven wrong, kid. That's me. Elite 4 Esteban! Look at you! You're Elite 4 Jigglypuff. Does this mean I technically beat the game? Because I beat a member of the Elite 4? Only 4 more to go. Oh, I should have really capitalized. I feel like I just wanted to capitalize around, but the capital H I feel like really would add to his power. Adam, wait! Oh, what do you want? Come with me. What? How many times do I have to teach you this lesson, old man? Oh, I got some peach berries. Do your best. I mean, I would love to check out this dark grass. Oh, so he fought the plasma. I wonder who this. So this guy has to have some kind of backstory, right? Oh, there's a Pokeball down here. But I'm still on Route 20, aren't I? I can't catch a Pokemon because we're on Route 20. Town map. Handy dandy. Yeah, we're still on Route 20. We haven't really crossed anything. Is this just straight Route 20 all the way? Aw. I guess that's gonna have to work with what I got then, because I'm not seeing an opportunity here. Oh. What do I run into? What?! You gotta be kidding me! No! There was a Deoxys in this grass. Are you serious? Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, God. Oh, no. This is dangerous. I don't like this at all. This is real bad. Let's switch a Pokemon out. Harambe, you gotta get out of here. We gotta get in Mudkip. And we need to deal with Deoxys because what the hell? Oh, come on. I'm so mad right now. You're telling me I could have had a Deoxys on this route? I mean, I got Mudkip. I mean, no offense, Mudkip. But man. That would have been awesome. Alright, guys. Now it's time. That's interesting, though. That's kind of cool, because that means if I see that grass in the future, I'd get my choice of what Pokemon I want to catch. So that's double the chance of something cool. Like a Deoxys. Thanks for the carry, as always, Typhlosion. My boy, good boy Flame, you're always the best. I just can't believe it. We ran into the spaceman in the grass down here. We need to probably heal our Pokemon up. Harambe took a pretty solid beating there. So Which we don't really have to use Harambe anymore. At least for a little while. There we go. I just don't want to run back and forth to town, but it's like my resources right now are so limited. I need to get something that's gonna, you know, give a little pep in my step. I need like a golden nugget, you know, that'd be really nice. Man, all I'm thinking about is what could have been with Deoxys now. So sad. What we got? What you want? Look at my awesome Pokemon. Alright, we'll check you out. What do you got? Elite 4 P. See, we're already on the Elite 4. You know, I'm a little concerned. Download. Oh god. We don't need that thing getting any higher attack. That thing's gonna just destroy me. Please. How much damage can I do to that with the water gun? No. No, this is not a good day. What does Braviary know? Wing attack. How hard is this gonna hit? Whew! That's a deadly combination. Like 100%. That was scary. If I did not have Typhlosion. I feel like this is just the catchphrase of this Nuzlocke challenge at this point, is if I did not tap Typhlosion. Like, what would happen to me? I think we'll be in pretty good shape once we get Mudkip up high enough to where he can really do some damage to people. What we got in the grass? A Zigzagoon? Nah, I'm just stupid. That's not a Zigzagoon. That's a Zangoose. It's level 3. But those Pokemon down there, I mean, I guess we're at a pretty good training spot, you know? If we needed to come back and train a little bit, we could. Because there's Deoxys in the grass. You know, it's wild. Came down from the heavens above. Just chilling on Route 20 with the Elite 4 trainers. That's why they're down here. They're just looking for Deoxys. That's what I'm trying to put together. Alright. What do we got here? What item? A bunch of berries. Gosh, it makes me so sad. I could have taken them out of the randomizer if I wanted to, but I always give it my best when I'm around kids and Pokemon. That's good. It sounds like you should be a teacher. Cool trainer. Boldor. Oh, this is a great matchup. Here we go. Water gun. It's like, I know I should probably focus some more on Dustox and the other Pokemon, but I just need Mudkip in my life to evolve to give me like another solid hitter. Yeah, come on, we're gonna give it all to you. We're gonna give it all to Mudkip right now. Okay, who do we want? And who's taking some damage? So we got. I guess we can do Mudkip and Dustox for this fight. Hey, 2 Pokemon strong and what? 1 + 2 is 3. That's some great basic math, and that was a sentence I really stumbled over. Senior and Junior, Stu and Nick, Nuzleaf and Teddiursa. That's a nope from me, dog. We're getting out of that one. As much as I appreciate that, this is a fight once again for Typhlosion. Confusing. No, I've also really been kind of appreciating the Digimon game. I think I'm almost thinking about maybe doing a Digimon playthrough of Cyber Sleuth. And Cyber Sleuth, I think it's Hacked Memory. Because I played the Digimon World games a long time ago, like Digimon World Dusk and stuff like that. But I always, the Digimon, like the core Digimon, have such cool designs and stuff like that. And I mean, what other series can you evolve your like little tiny like bunny rabbit into like a mass murdering, killing washing machine? You know? There really isn't. You'll be like on an evolution path that's just like, oh hey, we're a bunny, and then you evolved like a big bunny rabbit, and now you're a bunny rabbit with machine gun hands. And then you're straight up like a mech. And that's just the way that Digimon does things. It's great. They've got some great monster designs. So does Persona too. Persona also has some really cool designs. Heck yeah, we got level 16, baby! Why can't my Pokemon fight? Oh no, they're not looking so well. Guys gave those Pokemon the work over. Champion in the making. Bring it back when we walk Pokemon play hide and seek. We're bringing back the old school Pokemon trainers, the ruthlessness of Gary. Oh, sweet! They gave me some great balls. Now I'm feeling really good. Oh, who's calling me? What do you want? It's your mom! Why should be? Where are you right now? Burbank City. There's a complex there. Have you been? It's really nice. Thanks, Mom. Oh, who's this? Don't try and stop me. I'm off to PokeStar Studios, living to my true potential. I'll be a captain and a movie star. Oh dear daughter. People live the wild lives. Captains, movie stars, Pokemon trainers, gym leader rock stars. There's a lot of D's in these sentences. Doing double duty isn't the problem. You're causing problems for people. Alright, you go to your gym. I'll be there soon to strip you of your title. Alright. Someone needs to Photoshop Bernie Sanders behind the Pokemon counter. In the games. We've restored your Pokemon to full health. Thanks for waiting. Let's see. What do you want? Past here is Poke Studios. I really don't care at all about Pokemon Studios. I'm just here to whip up on some Pokemon. Let's see, the thing is that I'm sure that maybe someone gives away Pokemon too. Oh, what's this item? I found a red scarf. Yeah, I'm fashion now. Much fashion. What does that do for me? My red scarf. Let's see. Let's take a look. It's empty. We got a red scarf, and it boosts the cool aspect. Of course it makes us cooler. Haven't you seen any anime? Everyone who's cool has a scarf. Audino. I almost kind of think it would have been fun to randomize the evolutions too. Oh hey, you're rocking out on the streets. Is there anything else I can do to like... Oh, that's the gym. Poison Days. Hey, I'm getting Pokeballs from everybody. The complex. This is actually kind of cool that they continued this game, because like Gold and Silver was a really cool continuation, I felt like, of oh, the Burbank couple. Oh, sweet. We finally got ourselves a new encounter. What are we gonna get? Is there like any special grass down here? Like, can I get like special dark grass? Because I really want some special grass before I try to catch a Pokemon. I'm gonna try to avoid a lot of you. all you trainers. But it doesn't really look like there is, so we're just gonna try to catch Pokemon then. What we got? What we got? A seal? Okay. This isn't bad. I could see a seal being a useful component to the team. I've never really used seal or Dugong before, but... Alright, here we go. Let's try to catch him. We got 21 Pokeballs. Nope. Not yet. I believe we're gonna get him. Here we go. I feel like his name's gonna be Slippy. I feel it in my bones. Alright, come on, Slippy. I've already named you. Now you've gotta come with me. Almost had it. Almost. Then we're gonna run the gauntlet of all these trainers. Get Mudkip up some. Our best boys. You know what I think would be super cool? Like, and I don't know if this would ever be able to happen, but I was thinking about it today. Because, see, I've been playing Dragon Quest Tact quite a bit. The new little mobile game that's in Dragon Quest. And I've been having a lot of fun with it, you know? And I was thinking about the fact that Final Fantasy and Dragon Quest are both IPs of Square Enix, right? So what if they made like a crossover Monsters game that had Dragon Quest and Final Fantasy Monsters? And you could like train them and battle them? I think that'd be pretty cool. It would be kind of weird in a way because, you know, the art styles just don't really mesh with that, but I think it would be pretty cool. All right, let's get into it. Let's. What we got here? What's our boy, manager Landon? He's got a Ghastly. Not a chance. You know, Ghastly also being one of my favorite Pokemon, but he had like a super creepy Pokedex entry in the earlier games. Like, I don't know who all remembers that, but it was just kind of like, yo, it suffocates people to death. Like, it just like shows up and it's like, hey, what's up? You imagine just like being just a random person like in a ghost tower or something. Sure. And you're just like walking, right? And then all of a sudden, next thing you know, oh, a choice band. That's actually kind of nice. But next thing you know, you're just being suffocated by a Ghastly and you just die. That'd be terrible. Oh man, there's a Wheezing. I feel like I would have rather had Wheezing over Mudkip, because I feel like he would have been a really good, tough Pokemon. Not Mudkip, excuse me, over Seal. Nothing can replace my Mudkip. Who? Oh! No! You've got to be kidding me. Oh my gosh. No! I doomed myself. I just can't. I need to never speak things into existence ever again. No. I did the math in my head. I was like, oh no, we're good. I was like, nothing can ever replace my Mudkip. Wheezing comes along and smacks it into the dirt. Well, looks like we just got our water Pokemon replacement. Slippy it is. Dude, I can't believe that. Oh, that stings. Oh, man. I'm so upset right now. We lost Mudkip. He goes away. He goes into the PC. Now, here's the thought. You know, we do have one revive. We could use it on him, but I just don't... I feel like I can't do that to myself because we've got Typhlosion, right? So we're not going to release him to the wild because maybe I'll change my mind on that. But we're going to put him in here in box 1. Man, because I feel like the revive has to go for Typhlosion. Because at this point in time, Typhlosion is definitely gonna carry the team. And I mean, I have a water type to replace, so it hurts, but you know, it's I think I can easily come back from it, so let's go and let's see. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh no. Well, good news. This is gonna be a quick one. I wonder if I could do this with Slippy alone. You know, we also haven't really checked out the ability of Slippy. Own tempo prevents the Pokemon from being confused. That's pretty nice. And he's got pretty high special defense and defense. You know, right? This might not be so bad. I actually feel like Slippy could really do well. So we're gonna end this real quick. Man, that's painful. That's so painful. Hey, Slippy's level 11 though. Slippy went Icy Wind. Heck yeah! Got some ice moves on board now, on deck. Star Fox, this is Slippy. I'm a toad. Look at me go. I got cloaking mechanisms and stuff, you know. All right. Let's beat up some foremen. I feel like we're a little bit too reckless. Krogunk. This is definitely the job for Dusty. I've been kind of neglecting you this episode, but you have one move and that's it, and you have one thing you do, and this is exactly what it is: destroy poison and psychic poison fighters. Actually, I probably should be trying to work on Dusty a little bit here because he's the only psychic moves I have, and he's gonna be really good. Oh no, it won't matter. I don't know what I'm thinking. I'm just like, he's gonna be really good against those poison types. We have no idea what's gonna be in that gym. Oh, come on now. Confusion. There we go. Magnemite. Oh yeah, that's easy. That's an easy burn. Alright, gentlemen, Kate. Ah, man. We ran into a Deoxys in the wild, and we lost Mudkip. To Wheezing the Godslayer. Alright, we got you pumped back up, buddy. You're welcome. Oh, shit. Whoops. Okay. I guess we gotta really plan this out a little bit more. There we go. The battle. Yeah, let's go. Train up a little bit. Investigate some houses, you know. Absol. Absol's a pretty strong Pokemon. I'll never forget in our Gold and Silver playthrough. Man, we had a good thing going. Ooh. Oh, this is actually worrisome. If he uses Pursuit again, he's gonna hit us, and he will kill us. Oh man, that's rough. Okay, we're gonna have to heal. Okay, I think we can make it through this. Whew. I thought we were gonna lose 2 Pokemon this run. But I bet he thought that we wouldn't switch, that we were probably just, he could just kill me with Quick Attack or something. If at any point we end up losing Typhlosion, we're just out of luck, because the carry is real right now. Slippy! A star you. Let's switch into Harambe. I think Harambe would also be pretty good if he just knew his move would add a little bit more power to it. Because his stats aren't bad. You big monkey. Yeah, there we go. We gotta defeat all these guys here. There you go, we got you. Alright, so just so we don't have to spend a bunch of money, and so that way we don't get traumatized like we just were by losing Mudkip. Let's go heal. Do a little bit of grinding out. How do I get that? Let's see. This is the city of what? Falling Fog and Rising Stars. That's a pretty cool name for a city. I really don't know what the medals are, or if I really should care about the medals. There's probably something important with them, but it's out here. Okay, that's great. I can't use any of that. I was just really hoping that someone would be like, hey, you know what? You can, Oh, it's a ship to Castelia City. Did we go in here already? Does maybe someone want to give me a free Pokemon? Yeah, I've already talked to you. I don't remember what I'm doing. My little monkey brain just trying to run around, you know. Oh, hello. Who's down here and why? Yeah. That was a really good deal. I was really skeptical about that. He was just like, he's like, hey, I got a great deal for you. Just chilling. It sounded so sketchy. It was like the We'll never forget the Magikarp, right? Where he was just like, you can buy this Magikarp and it's great. Let's see, Verbate Complex. Okay, well, here we are, we're back. Okay, so there's a trainer over here. Oh no, there was some super good grass. Ah, I missed it. I really gotta pay attention to that because who knows what I could have found in this grass. Ooh, it was a Garbodor. Man, that thing would have been such a tank. Instead, we're gonna try to use Dustox to kill it. That's gonna be what our rival has eventually. Good thing I'm already poisoned. Wow, that's not effective at all. Ooh, a critical hit. And special defense harshly fell. Oh, but we're confused now. Heck yeah, we can do this. Man, I really wish we could have gotten a Garbodor. That would have been such a good, that'd have been a good catch. Maybe I'm underselling Slippy the Seal though. That's right. Let's go, Dusty. You may not hit very hard, but you're out here doing honest work. That's what you're doing. Let's see. What is your stats like anyway? Oh, but you have a really high defense and special defense. Oh. You know, I didn't realize that. What? That was weird. I feel like there's an item right there. Yeah! No, there's... Oh, dang it. I feel like this would be a good place to train. There's a lot of poison types out here. With Wheezing and Garbodor and everything. Should be pretty safe from any, Yeah, you can't hurt me with that. I'm too good. I didn't realize that, Dustox was such a wall. Just, like, outlast the storm. We need to get Dustox to learn some kind of, like, moves that just erode over time, like, you know, like Toxic or something like that. Yeah, Slippy, level 13. Slippy wants to learn Encore. I'm not gonna do it. Maybe this is a mistake, but I don't want to. You don't really know what someone's gonna do with their moves, so I feel like, especially on the computers, it's really hard to predict. Like, hey, I know this person's gonna do this move next, and if you get it wrong, and like if you encore like a Fire Blast, I mean, you're dead. Just might as well R.I.P. in peace. Hey, battle me! I'm gonna impress Roxy. Sure you are. Waiting in this corner for someone to come challenge you. Hey, it's Dunsparce. I would love them to give Dunsparce an evolution. I want to know what they would think Dunsparce would evolve into. Wow. I'm really weak. Oh no. Oh no. We gotta end this like now. Wait. Okay. Man, rollout's a scary move. We're fine. He's too slow. We'll kill him. Oh gosh, we really rolled the dice there. I was like, if I miss, we're gonna have a really bad day. Okay. Alright. This music actually kind of reminds me a little bit of like Team Rocket music. Every day is the same. Don't I feel that in my bones? Okay. Let's go flame. We got steel types on lockdown. Most Pokemon don't really seem to be able to hurt Typhlosion too bad, so that's also really good. Torkoal. Man, I'm a really big sad right now. Because Mudkip could have easily dealt with the Torkoal. Oof. That's a really good combination for that Torkoal. Nope. Here we go, water sport. Man, this is like gonna be the biggest battle of attrition. I don't really have anything that, because he's a rock fire type. I mean, man, this is what the time Mudkip would have been great. We don't want to throw out Dusty. Dusty's gonna get murdered. You know, I think Harambe is the best choice because of his Astonish. He's the only one I think that can really hurt him. Great. Gotta deal with this Torkoal just murdering everybody if he gets too strong. Dude, this is bad. We're going to drop the defense. Oh, and we're poisoned. Come on now. This is not a good day. You joking? Dude, this is... Come on. Get out of here, man. Dude. Use Ember. It's gonna... Oh, well, you know what? Never mind. It doesn't matter because my Typhlosion is just that strong. When in doubt, call Typhlosion out. That's like the... We said it once, we'll say it again. Typhlosion is the answer to every one of our problems. Ooh. Alright. Harambe. Tickle. I wish you would learn something that's a little bit more attack-oriented, you know? Forget. What does Tickle do? Reduces the attack and defense stats. You know, that's better than Tail Whip. So we'll go with that. I need you to learn like big boy monkey fist. Like do a King Kong punch on this man. Great. I managed to really pump up all your workers. I wonder what that guy is on about. Oh, what is that? Electros? It looks like it's got electricity, so I want to get away from it. I don't know what it does or what typing is. I'm just assuming water electricity. Where's he going? I gotta know what's this guy on about with his knowledge. Oh, what'd he give me? An ether. Thanks. A complex, buddy. Alright. We beat up all the workers. Ice burn. That sounds cool. What is ice burn? And how strong is ice burn? That's another really important part. 140. On the second turn, an ultra cold freezing wind surrounds the target. This may leave it with a burn. Ooh, heck yeah. That's a really good move. We'll hang on to that. That's awesome to get. Alright. Welcome to Pokemon Center. Yeah, we want to rest our Pokemon. All right. Let's see. I think it's all that's really left to do is challenge the gym, I think. Hey, yo! This guy always gives me water. I really appreciate that. Oh, this is a pretty cool gym. So that seems like a perfect stopping point for us tonight, guys. So we met with some defeat. I'm not gonna lie to you. We had a bad time. We lost the Godkip. May he forever rest in peace to the Godslayer, Wheezing. And we also learned that Deoxyses like to lurk in wild patches of grass. So that was a lot of fun too. So when we come back, we're gonna take on our second gym challenge with our guys Slippy, Harambe, Dusty, and Flame. And then we're going to go on and see what else Black and White has in store for us. So, guys, I appreciate you hanging out with me once again. Thanks so much for watching the videos. Really means a lot to me. Having a great time. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below. I'm open to all kinds of stuff, So we're just really starting out here. And, of course, if you like the video, do like and subscribe. Really does help me out quite a bit. And, while we're at it, what's your favorite type of Pokemon? I really think my favorite typing of all time has gotta be, I'm just gonna go ahead and say Psychic. I've always really liked Psychic quite a bit. Psychic or Ghost, one of the two. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and I hope you guys have a great night, and we will see you next time.